Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard, Gigabyte motherboard download, driver download. So first we have to come to website gigabyte.com and then click to search button and then enter model number B860M DS3H WIFI6E and then enter. Then click to product. So select this is really 1 and really 1.2 and 1.2. So installations process same. Click to support. Select your operating system Windows 10 11. So select any because both installations process driver installation process same. LAN driver, a Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. It will click to download. It will start downloading here. You can see. Just open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. So now this is installing. Then it is closed automatically. This is installed. VGA driver. VGA. So just click to download. It will start downloading here. Take time to your depend over your internet. So it is downloaded. Just open. Then guys double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. So it will start. So it is closed automatically means this is installed.